Hey guys, in this video we're going to be looking at image links. These are links that are inside of an image, so when you click on the image, the website or link pops up. We use the same code as in two of my previous videos. This is the code for links and the code for images. We put the code for link and put the link we want to have inside of it. Then we just close it, and inside of these two A's, instead of putting the text we want to display on the web page, we put the picture. So we can just copy the image link up here, or image code we had from before, and just put it inside of here. So you see this and this is the same. And this is how it looks on the website. So as you see here, if I hover over this image, you get the hand thing. And now you can click on it and it will bring you to the website, just as the link would. So that's it. This is how you link an image and make an image and link. I hope you learned something new. See you in the next one.